guys! Welcome back to our channel, Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, ituturo naman namin sa inyo kung paano mag-book ng mga trains on JR Pass using the machines. From our previous video, nasabi na namin sa inyo kung paano kayo mag-exchange ng yung JR Pass upon arrival sa Japan. And once you exchange your JR Pass, you also have the option to ask the staff sa train station to book the trains na gagamitin ninyo on your whole stay. Pero since madami kaming trains na sasakyan, nakakahiya namang ipabook lahat dun sa staff, so we use the machine to book the other trains that we will use. And the first step is for you to go to the train station and find the ticket machines.
Ito guys, ganito naman ganito naman kapag mag-book kayo using your JR Pass. Of course, you have to click English. Tapos, pindutin nyo Japan Rail Pass. Confirm. Tapos, select train to use now. 4. Tapos, you have to scan. Ito, yung mga JR Pass nyo, may QR yan. Have to scan it there. Tapos, makikita nyo dito yung passport number. So, i-enter mo kasi yung passport number dito.
Enter your passport number and press confirm.
2405. Sino ba yun?
Enter your passport number and press confirm.
Yan. So, after nyo enter yun, tsaka mo naman siya ihahanapan yung pupuntahan nyo. Enter dito. Toyama. Ayan, Toyama. Going to Takayama. Search. Ito. So, select natin to. Tapos, confirm. And then, select tayo ng seats natin. So, ito daw yung list occupied. So, dyan tayo titingin. Ito na lang. Yan. Confirm. Confirm. So, yan. Hintayin nyo na lang lumabas ngayon yung tickets nyo.
Please take your ticket.
Ayan, so ito na yung tickets na nabook natin that we will use later. Yan.
And that's how easy to book your trains using the machine. Now, let's talk about the parts of your JR Pass. This number shows the validity of your pass. And this is the QR code that you need to scan when you are booking in the machines. Lastly, itong part na to, may 4 digits na number, is the last 4 digits of your passport. This is also important because you need to know kung kaninong JR Pass at passport yung magka-partner when booking in the machines because you need to enter the whole passport number. Ito naman yung tsura ng inyong reserved seat tickets. This part shows the station and the date and time of your travel. Sa kabilang part naman is the station of your arrival and what time kayo dadating. This highlighted in yellow is your car number and seat number. And lastly, ito yung number ng train na sasakyan nyo. And that's it guys, now you are ready to board any Shinkansen or limited express trains using your JR Pass. Next time, we will discuss naman ang iba't ibang train passes that we use during our travel in Japan. I hope this video is helpful for your next Japan trip. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends.